Hey, thanks for coming to the First Time Farmer. This was the start of last video, and it ended with the tractor stuck on a stump. So come along, see how we get it off the stump. That is the aspect of today's journey. Okay, this is how we wrapped up the last video. Got stuck on the stump, gonna try and do some work on it. This huge thunderstorm rolled in, so we had to abandon it for the night and start the next morning.
Okay, you haven't quite figured it out yet. The tractor is stuck. I'll show you some video of that if I haven't already. And I'm starting the process of getting it off. The first thing I have to do is I have to get this mower off. So I have lowered the 3-point so that it is disconnected, and now I'm going to drag it off the back of the tractor with the truck.
Okay, this takes a bit, and as you'll see, I always forget the PTO shaft. It's just one of my frustrations. So I'm going to stop and come back and take the PTO shaft off and then get it out of there.
All right, there's where I dragged it to, just off to the edge of the drive. So let's take a walk. So what happened is I pushed over this tree with the grapple on. Now the mistake that I made, see over here, I pushed one over, and over there, you can't see it, but I pushed another one over. But they had the bucket on it. And so when the bucket's on it and it's flat, you get that extension of the bucket. These are right on the edge of a hillside here, and with the rains we've been having, they're soft, and so it was easy just to push them over. But the grapple got me too close, and so when the root ball came up out of the ground, it hooked on the front of the tractor. And that's where I hang. So when you look at this here has, I don't know, 6 or 7 inches. Look, you're down far enough. This here has 6 or 7 inches that have to be filled. And the other side's worse. So this is the other side, and that's a good 18 to 20 inches of space right there that I have to cover. So my thought process is I'm going to take rounds like that, stack them in there, and then cut 2x6s to create a ramp on top of it. And I'm hoping that gives me enough that I can drive it out of here. Okay, the first thing I need to do is get the tractor higher. I have the one side done, and you can see here what I did is I made a stack of rounds and then split wood, fit them together, and then put a 2x6 on top of that extends all the way back and actually tucks under the big tire in the back, not under, but butted up against it. So when I let it down, hopefully it will be high enough. Okay, so we're over here on this deeper side. I've got the wood stacked up. But here I can't push the 2x6 forward, so I have to cut it off. So you guys have one of these little, this is a Milwaukee, I think it's an 8-inch. They are amazing. Whoop, dropped you guys. All right, so now we're going to slide this in here. I'm going to put you up on a stump somewhere. Well, it's right here. All right, let's let it down and see what happens, huh? I'm gonna put this saw on the truck first. I'll set you right here so you'll be the first to know. So holy expletives deleted, it worked. So there's where I was, and I was able to back out of it once I got unhooked and could keep above. So, but it's time to do an inspection, take a look, see if we broke anything. Got some crap hanging in here, but these hoses look good. All these lower clamps are broken. I don't even know how these things work. All right, well, that worked out pretty well. Happy we got it off. Nope, here's the damage. Right here, the grill guard did its thing. Probably time to get one of those 51 grill guards and replace it, huh? All right, I'm going to hook back up to the mower and take it up to the...
This is the end, and thank you for coming along. Join us next time as we continue to do work to get the storage building up.